Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This week we have got a Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. It's having a maintenance detail, interior detail, along with the engine bay dressing and also PPF inspection. It had self-healing PPF installed by us about a month ago.
Your heartbeat.
Next week we've got a Mazda MX-5 in a very nice blue colour. That's having a dual stage correction and also ceramic coating. So keep an eye out for that video. If you want to see the Bentley we did, just click up here on the pop-up banner and you can watch that video as well. That had 22 PLE ceramic coating along with a tri-stage paint correction. And it looks friggin' awesome. So click on the banner there and have a look at that. Give my channel a video like, and the channel a subscribe, and also click the bell icon to be alerted for any new videos. I say any new videos, of course we'll be doing new videos. As I said, the next one is going to be Mazda, and we'll be doing others after that as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.